continue with the Awards of Excellence. The Maintenance Program honors projects that exemplify the most skilled work in grounds management sector. We have several categories in this program. I will present the first 3 categories, then invite the winners as a group to the stage to our winner's walkway. You know where that arrow is now. Multi-residential maintenance, under 2 acres. Award of Excellence 2, Reliable Care Landscape Management for the Tapestry. This site is small, but is surrounded by 15 garden beds and 2 levels, including 2 special water features. Non-turf maintenance. Award of Excellence to Strathmore Landscape Contractors. Come on, put your hands together. Strathmore has maintained this terrace garden for almost a decade. Challenges include light reflection off the glass building and a lack of an irrigation system. And another to Strathmore Landscape Contractors for McGill College. The beds are not irrigated, so maintenance includes regular watering all summer long. Tulips and annuals bring cohesion to this interesting office building. And to Urban Garden for High Park Terraces. Maintenance here is both challenging and rewarding. Each of 3 building areas has its own maintenance style and needs. Very lush. Special interest maintenance, residential or commercial. 1 award of excellence in this category goes to Living Green Landscape Incorporated for Park Square. These planters use a mix of tropicals and annuals to maximize foliage, variety, color, and texture. Besides shape, a major site challenge was the restricted soil volume of the very small planters. Let's welcome the winners from the first 3 maintenance categories to the stage. Put your hands together.